This video shows you how to shade and scale a projected drawing, add text, create layers, create dimensions, and use center marks in Autocad Layout. To shade the projected drawing, select the drawing you want shade, then click the Edit View icon. Click the Hidden Lines icon and change it to Shaded with Visible Lines. To change the scale of the projected drawing, click on the drawing you want to scale, then click on the inverted triangle icon. Select the scale you want. Notice that when you select the source or the first projected drawing you enter on the layout, then change the scale, the other projected drawing follows. Before we add text and dimensions, change your workspace to drafting and annotation. Click on the multiline text icon, then create a box you want to type your text. Change the alignment to center align and text height to 0.1 on the text editor tab above. Then type the text. It seems that the text height of the text is small. We can change the text height in the text properties. Select the text to edit, then right-click the screen, select Properties, then change the text height to 0.15. Position the text by using the Move command. Then use the Copy selection to create text for the other drawings. Select the text, then right-click the screen, and select the Copy selection. Select your base point to copy, then click on the other drawings. Change the text on each drawing by double-clicking the text. Next is to create layers. We will use this layer for our dimensions, which means all dimensions will be created on this layer. At the Home tab, click on the Layer Properties icon. Then click on the New Layer icon. Change the layer names to dimensions, and also change the color of the layer to red. Next is dimension. Before we use dimensions, let us create our dimension style. Go to Annotate tab above, then on the Dimension group, select the Dimension Style box. Select the Manage Dimension Style button below the box. This will open the Dimension Style Manager. Click the New button, then click the Continue button. Then the Modify Dimension dialog box for the new dimension style will open. Under the Primary Units tab, change the precision of the linear dimensions to 0.00. Then under the Fit tab, change the Use Overall Scale of to 0.4. Click the OK button and click the Close button. Now change the layer to Dimension, then start dimensioning. On the Home tab, click the Dimension icon, then dimension the projected drawing. You will notice that the color of the dimension created hang to red because this is the layer color. Before we continue our dimension, let us create a center mark for the circle of our drawing. Go to Annotate tab, then click on the center mark icon. Click on the edge line of the circle, not the center of the circle. Adjust the length of each arrow of the center mark by clicking and moving the mouse, then click again. Note: do not drag. Then change the line type scale of the center mark. Right-click on the screen, then select Properties. Change the line type scale to 0.4. You will notice the broken line will appear on the center mark. Then let us continue dimensioning our drawing. Now let us watch the recap of our video. That is all for this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.